Well, good Saturday morning. I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady, and now that Junk Journal July is over, I want to get back to documenting my life. I need to catch up, and today I want to journal about the day that my husband and I went to Cutler Botanic Gardens in Binghamton, and I have this beautiful picture that I took. I can't remember the name of the flower though. And then I have some little ones. I think this is the same one, but a different color, same kind of flower. They're perennials. And then I have some other little pictures of just some of the gardens there. They're kind of hard to see because these are so little. But I can't have giant pictures for every every entry I make in my journal. So I'm going to I think I'm just going to glue this down like this, and I'm probably going to make it a pocket. And then on the other side, I think I'm going to cover this side. I'm going to make a pocket to put these pamphlets in. So we got the rose garden, shade garden, perennials, rock garden, farmer's market. They have a farmer's market there during the summers. Heaths and heathers. So I'm going to, I need to strengthen this up and put those in there. And I don't know what else yet. My daughter is visiting from Japan, and she drew me some little cutouts to use, so I might use some of these. And then I got a couple of new chairs. I'm getting into the mid-century modern because that's kind of me. I'm mid-century modern. I wanted to document that in my book too. We've been to the fair, we've had our family reunion and all that good stuff, and summer's winding down. I think it's August 5th today, or 4th, and I just want to finish this up. I was thinking actually about cutting this off, and I might still do that. So I think I am going to start with this page. So let's just go ahead and do that. Get my glue out. I'm going to put it down lower so I can use it as a pocket. And I'll make it a top loading pocket. And you can actually become friends of the garden and help support it. And I do have to say, and I think I said this before, I wish they had more, like a garden specifically for native plants, but they didn't. But that's okay. So this is going to go here, and that's going to be a pocket. These won't fit in this pocket, so I'm going to have to come up with another pocket. So I'm going to end up putting a label there, and then over here I do want to cover the page with maybe some kind of blue background, so that's going to be on there. Then this page can be the pocket page, and I'll put these pictures on the top. It's too bad the pamphlets don't fit in this pocket, but we'll come up with something. And I don't think I'm going to make it like a whole page pocket. I'm going to make it a half pocket, because then we can see all the pretty pictures. And then I'll have to figure out where to put these. I keep coming up with different ideas. Well, let's get this covered and a half a pocket here. And I think I'll just leave the top blank. Alright, so we've got this page. I've got two of the same page. And I'm going to use the top part as the pocket over here. And I'm going to turn this one over and use that to go on here. And I actually think I might cover the top of this with the same blue and then have the pink pocket on the bottom. So let's get everything measured for that. I'm going to do this. A lot of my spreads for the summer are going to be involving pictures of my family, which I don't necessarily want to show. But what I might do is just, you know, I've done it before, and just cover their faces with a little sticker or something, so that I can show you the spreads. Because after I said, oh, I got lots of journaling to catch up on and videos to make, I realized a lot of them are going to have pictures of my family in them. And while as I used to post a lot of things about my family, I don't feel comfortable doing that anymore. So there's just so much crap going on in the world, you know. I don't need to show my family's faces. So we're going to put that there. And then we want to have the butterfly as the pocket. I need to cut off this part. I want the pocket to be pretty deep because I want everything to stay in it okay. Oops. I already have that. Oh, I still see some white. Let's get to cut that off some more. So that's going to be the top pocket, and I think we'll cut it right about here. And I actually have so many copies of this paper. I think if we do it like that, it'll be fine. We had a terrible storm last night that caused potentially deadly flooding in the area, but I haven't heard of any fatalities, so I am very thankful for that. And my daughter's in-laws lived in the area where it was really bad, so we're very happy that they are okay. Alright, let's glue this on. This we're going to just glue straight on the page. We're not going to make it a pocket. And no, this must have been in July because I wouldn't have saved it for my July journal. So it must have been the beginning of July that we went there. Because if it was in June, I would have put it in my June journal. Or my June, not journal, but my June signature. Okay, that's going to go there. We're going to glue this here. Just like that. And then the pocket. And that'll be a nice little spread. Documenting a very nice afternoon. Then I was thinking, this picture's so beautiful, and these are kind of not that great. I want this one on here all by itself. I was thinking about putting them up here, but I don't know. I think that detracts from the beauty of the blue picture. So, I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. Alright. That's gonna go right in the middle. Oh, I was thinking that maybe I also don't want to cover up all of this either. So I'm going to put a tag in here that I can journal on. And for now, I'm going to put all these pamphlets in right here. Oops, gotta stay down. Maybe I need to let that dry a little bit more. And I've got to figure out where to put these. I wonder, maybe what I can do is just put them on the backs. And unfortunately, I don't remember which was in which garden, but I do know this was a perennial. So we're going to put this one on here. Maybe this was the rock garden, actually, because I think it is. It's got the rock wall just like it has here. So we'll put that one on there. And maybe I'll be able to figure out the others too. So we'll put this one here. The information on the back is the same for all of them, so I'm not really covering up stuff. This is the farmer's market one. This is Heather, Rose Garden, and Shade Garden. Well, neither of these are the Shade Garden, that's for sure. I think I'll just go ahead and put one on the heathers. Even though I'm going to put these two on the heathers, because the heaths and heathers, because I don't know what they are, but I do know they're not heaths and heathers. I think heaths and heathers are almost like ground covers, if I'm correct. To look at the pamphlet more. And I can't get this one pulled apart here. This one's being difficult. Well, I got it on, and it does look like that heaths and heathers are not low to the ground. They look like they're pretty tall. Unless these are super close-up pictures. So anyway, I know this is not a heather. I don't know what that is, but we're going to put them all together now in the pocket and just kind of spread them out a little bit. Fan them out. And here we have our spread for Cutler Gardens. And I think a black tag would look cute in there. I can journal about the day there. And yeah, the only other thing I was going to do is put a label. But if I have this here, I don't really need a label. So that's it. We have this little Friends of the Garden form to fill out if you want to support the garden. A beautiful picture of this blue plant that I took. And then a pocket full of all the pamphlets. Each individual garden had a little, like a little mailbox with the pamphlets in it. So, alright, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you'll come back. I appreciate your support and visiting my channel, and I hope you're happy and healthy, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.